Have you ever wondered how to create your very own ChatGPT account? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. But before we dive in, make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on helpful tutorials like this one. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser. Any browser will do: Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Now, in the search bar, type chat, openai.com and hit enter. This will take you to the ChatGPT homepage. Next, click on the big sign up button to create your account. You'll need to fill in some info here, your email and a password. I am giving a dummy mail for sign up. Then here is your password. Make sure it's a strong one. I am giving a strong password here. ChatGPT will send you a verification link in your Gmail. Click on Verified Gmail address. Here you have to fill your first name, last name and birth date. I'm a big fan of John Wick, so I am giving his name here, and I'm using a dummy birth date. Then, click on Continue. Here you have to verify the account with your phone number. I'm using my phone number. ChatGPT will send you a one-time verification in your mobile phone. I'm going for the free plan today. It's pretty cool and gives you a taste of what ChatGPT can do. Here is the ChatGPT interface. It's clean, simple, and user-friendly. It's super handy for customizing your experience. Oh, and if you're a developer, you can even get an API key to use ChatGPT in your own apps and projects. Pretty cool, right? And there you have it. It's that simple. Now you can start chatting with your AI assistant, and who knows what amazing things you'll create together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials.